Hey everyone, in this quick Bluehost tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the Bluehost coupon code step by step so you can grab the biggest discount possible on your hosting plan. You'll see how to activate the best deal and how to lock in the lowest pricing Bluehost offers. And if you're setting up WordPress or your first website, this is the easiest way to save money right from the start. To get the discount, click the special Bluehost link in the video description or pinned comment. It'll automatically apply the Bluehost coupon code for you. No need to manually type in anything in. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. When you use that link, you'll see the discounted pricing appear right away at the top of the page. You'll see you get web hosting for as low as $2.99 per month instead of the regular price. That's your coupon already working. Now you'll see Bluehost offers 3 main plans: Starter, Business, and E-commerce Essentials. Starter plan, perfect for small websites or portfolios, comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, and around 40,000 monthly visits. Business plan, great for growing websites, comes with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, daily backups, malware removal, and phone support. E-commerce Essentials, best for online stores, comes with extra WooCommerce tools and e-commerce optimized performance. Most beginners go with the starter plan to save the most money, but you can always upgrade later if you need more resources. When you click Choose Plan, you'll land on the Choose Your Free Domain Name page. Enter the domain name you'd like to use. If you click Choose Domain later, you can select your free domain name after signing up with Bluehost. Perfect if you're not sure which one you want yet. Next, you'll land on the Checkout page. You'll see the term showing next to the plan you chose on the right. You can choose between a monthly, 1 year, or 3-year term. The longer the term, the bigger the discount. That's how hosting works. And if you're on the special link, the coupon is already applied, so you'll see the lowest price show up automatically. No need to enter a separate promo code. You'll see some optional add-ons like SiteLock, CodeGuard, Google Workspace, and Domain Privacy over to the right. You can uncheck anything you don't want. The free SSL certificate and domain name are already included with all annual plans. Next, just fill in your account details and payment info. Once you click Submit Payment, your Bluehost account is ready, and you've locked in your hosting at the lowest price available. You'll even get an email with your login details so you can start setting up your WordPress site immediately. So to recap, click the Bluehost link below, coupon auto applied. Choose your plan, choose your free domain name, select the term, skip extra add-ons if you don't need them, complete your checkout, and boom, you're saving big. That's how easy it is to use the Bluehost coupon code and get the biggest discount possible. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step hosting guides and WordPress tips.